look at that filthiness around the sun there. Woo! Yeah, and they've been going off doing some frequency blasting, breaking things up and whatnot. You can see it. Well, there's the remainder of the frequency blasting there. Got the ripples going on. So, yeah, the quote communication planes will fly through that and make those make the trails in the trails, so to speak. So, and then it shoves everything out and kind of ionizes the sky for them. It's interesting. But yes, when you're actually outside under the sun all day, you notice a lot of weird things, and you start to see patterns. And so, yeah, to the average person that's inside most of the day, and when they do go outside, don't look up, you don't see this sort of thing very often. And you know, I have to take kind of time out of what I'm doing to even like take this phone out that is always in airplane mode. This is a secondary phone that I basically will download podcasts onto and listen to podcasts and audiobooks all day while I'm working. And so yeah, that's the way I do it. Alright, look up. God bless.